Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can unhide messages in GroupMe account. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So first thing, you need to make sure that you've already updated your application and also make sure that you have a stable internet connection. So then open up your GroupMe application. Once you open up your application, you'll be taken to the chat page. So then you'll need to open up the chat page. In case if you're unable to find the user on this page or on the chat page, then you can simply click on search button and then type in the name of the group or the chat page that you want to actually unhide. Once you open up the chat page, click on the profile name or the group name, and after that go to the settings button and you'll be taken to the settings page. You'll need to scroll down to the group action section, and on this interface you need to click on unhide chat in order to unhide it, and then click on unhide. Do the same procedure if you want to hide the chat. Just head over to the settings page and then click on hide. So in this way you can do it. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If the video did help you, then make sure to comment down below and also make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.